Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 ripe banana, 1 large egg, and 1 cup of milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure your banana is nice and ripe for that perfect sweetness. Now let's get to mixing. Start by mashing your ripe banana in a large bowl until it's mostly smooth. Next, crack in your egg and pour in the milk, whisking everything together until it's well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. This ensures even distribution for fluffy pancakes. It's time to bring it all together. Slowly add the dry ingredient mixture to your wet banana mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, giving them space to spread. Cook your pancakes for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like syrup or fresh fruit. These fluffy pancakes are a delightful treat any time of day. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious breakfast, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description below for a link to Little Trees, black ice air fresheners, and other fantastic deals. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.